Hello friends, never lose money in the stock market. Can you believe it? Because always we think that stock investment is a risky game. Now let me explain to you or try to explain to you that if you follow certain rule of the game, then you can never lose money in capital market. I am following and I am successful. Now first thing first, that when you invest in shares, you become partner in that company. If you understand this simple principle, then my 50% of my job is done. Now, when I say partner, that means promoter is managing partner. Promoter, they are senior partner. We are junior partner, but still all of us have equal voting right. Or we all of us have the same proportion of dividend as our right. Now, what is the quality you should see in the partner? Let me explain to you. One, the senior partner should consider him and you as partners. As soon as he considers himself as partner in the company, then naturally he will look at the benefit of all the partners, because if the company is making profit, the profit will be distributed equally according to the number of shares we hold. So, friend, the senior partner should also work for the benefit of shareholders, including himself. Let's say whatever he does in the company, the shareholder should be benefited. Now another point which is very simple and important is the senior partner should be capable and efficient. Otherwise, why I will invest in that company? One big problem with certain promoter or senior partner is they are not honest. Even the company is earning good amount of profit, that is siphoned off, or it is not shown in the books of account. So, honesty is the key when you choose the partner. Don't compromise. It's a zero compromise game. Now friends, history. The partner, generally we know, they have history. Some groups are there from hundreds of years. So you should also judge looking at the history of the promoter. Next point, friends, which is very common, you will not find this type of person who is not ultra ambitious, We have found so many disasters in the last 5 years. I will not name those companies, but because of the ultra ambitious partner or management, the company is in NCLT, that is becoming bankrupt. So, I at least don't like the management to be ultra ambitious. Because when you are ultra ambitious, then you lose track of financial intelligence. I always believe that in finance, one should have conservative approach. One should have conservative approach. Like say, if I am having an expansion plan of 1,000 crore, this can be done with equity, with debt, and with internal accrual. So the best approach would have been internal accrual. But even if you have to raise the debt, please don't raise equity. That is a costly mode. But even if you have to raise the debt, it should be reasonable. The debt equity ratio generally cannot exceed from more than 1. So friends, to sum up, these are the qualities you should try to find in the partner. Then the question may arise, how do I know that this partner is right for me? Common sense. I will not be able to name the groups, but for example, Tatas are there for the last 100 years and they have really looked after the interest of minority shareholders very well. With the fund available to all of us for investment, we know few good groups. They are good to be chosen as senior partner, as manager. So friends, let us conclude here and wait for the next talk. I am continuing with this talk. Never lose money in stock market, or Mr. Buffett said, you cannot lose money in stock market.